Hi, I'm Eric with 1073 Crypto. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time, glad to have you. If you could do me a big favor and hit that like and subscribe button, it does make a difference. Now, if you're here today, you want to probably know about Crypto.com, the app, and how to use it. Well, you came to the right spot because we're going to go through every screen, step by step, cover the whole app from front to back. So at the end of this video, you should be a master at Crypto.com. Let's get started. We'll go to Crypto.com app. Okay, we're going to start up here in this corner on your right. See the two little looks like messenger symbols? Basically what this is, it lets you contact customer support if you have a problem. But not only that, you can also see the status of the app. If you look down here at the bottom, you can see right here, all systems operational, everything's good. If you want to look up an article, you can type it in here and find the topic yourself. Or if you just want to message somebody, you can message them right here. And beside that, you have the pay button. Kind of self-explanatory. If you want to send crypto to somebody, scan a QR code, airtime. This is if you have like a prepaid phone, you want to top off your minutes, you can use your crypto to top off your minutes on your phone. And over here you got gift cards. Say you got your crypto, but you want to go spend it and you use a gift card instead of having the credit card. So you can find whatever businesses, whatever you want down here, get your gift card and load it up with your crypto. Pay rewards. I don't have any rewards right now, but for like using the gift cards or sending money and stuff, you can earn rewards, and that's where your totals will be right here. We'll cover that again later on. Okay, and this just little here we are celebrating living a year with Crypto.com Pay. This is just a little article. There should be 3 of them. Yep, send a crypto to friends. Top up your crypto. Alrighty. So that's message, pay. And over here on the little cog wheel, that's your settings. Your name, account. You see that all your stuff for your card's been verified, your bank's been verified. Payment currency, US dollars. If you were, say, over in Germany, whatever, when you use euro, you could use euro. Language, paystring. I don't have paystring yet, but paystring is another thing you can do to help with your wallets to quickly link them. And if you have a question, you can hit the little question mark, and it goes into more detail about paystring and what it does and how to get it. App customization. On here, change account page as your leading page or leave home as your default leading page. I prefer the home personally. Refund currency, like if you're cashing out, need money back, how you want it. And so USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. Face ID touch, passcode settings, change password, two-factor authentication, anti-phishing code, kind of neat. Basically go in here and type whatever your code is, and then if you get an email from Crypto.com, it'll have your code up here in the corner so you know it's actually from them and it's not somebody trying to scam you. Tracking is just where they ask to track you while using the app. Notification settings, pretty simple. Crypto.com wallet, support center. You could also use the message one up top, contact support. Fees goes over all the fees and limits, kind of extensive, but everything is listed. You can take your time and go through that. Of course, terms and conditions, privacy notice, system status, and remember system status you can also get from the little message icon. And to visit website and log out. And it shows right here the current version that you're using of the app. So that's that. The little eye with the line through it, you can't see the total. Click it, you can see it. So say you wanted to show your friend at work or something, but you didn't want them to know all your business, you block it out. Trade, pretty simple. If you want to buy or sell crypto, transfer, there we go. If you want to deposit or withdraw crypto, down here's your favorites. Kind of see what their Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, and kind of see what they're doing. And if you click on see all, if you look down here at the bottom, it took you to the track page. We were on the home page, now we're on the track page. And basically it just goes into more detail. We'll go back to that later. Go back to home. As we continue to go down, you can see top gainers, pretty much who's on fire right now. And here's missions. We did another video earlier about missions and what it is. If you want, check out that video. I'll have the link in the description to go into more detail for you. It's a great little program. And then news. Down here you just got a couple articles and stuff you can see what's going on in the crypto world. Okay, and now to account page. Account page, you can see right up here the little clock with a dollar symbol. That's your transaction history. You can see if you bought or sold or whatever. It's all listed right there. This right here, you can see it's got the little particles into a solid particle. And basically what this is your crypto dust. You can convert it to CRO, which is the cryptocurrency for Crypto.com. And basically, like if you're moving your crypto back and forth or trading some, getting some, you'll have little bits left over that are like less than a penny or whatever. And this lets you take all those little bitty amounts and switch them all over to CRO. Let's see. You see up here, it looks like the little pie chart. It's exactly what it is. You click on it, it breaks down all your stuff so you can see how much you have where. And if you scroll down, has them listed again. So again, balance. Now this right here in the green, you can show it's positive, so up. Crypto wallet. And you have your crypto wallet, which is right here, and it'll show all your crypto that you have. Crypto earn. Then you have your fiat wallet, and basically that's just a fancy name for money, cash. So like if you were transferring money from your bank into the app, you could keep it right here, and then say you had $100 in here, but you only wanted to buy $20 in whatever token you want, CRO for example, then the remaining amount of your money will be here in your fiat wallet. And the card, we'll talk about that later on. You'll see it got its own page down here. So that's it for accounts. Now you got the center button with the Crypto.com logo. And that's pretty much everything on the app. It's just in one central location. The crypto wallet we just went over. Track we showed earlier. The fiat wallet we went over. Reoccur buying. If you want to set up where, say, you get paid on the 1st of every month and the 15th, so you want to buy on the 1st and the 15th automatically, you can go in here and set it up or do it for you. So you don't have to keep going and doing it. Great little feature. You can also do, daily, weekly, monthly, however you want to do it. And back to the center. Pay, we went over that earlier. The send, scan, airtime, gift cards, same thing. and pay, earn. See, earn is where you can get interest rate on your cryptos. You can earn interest, and this goes into more explanation about it. You can see right here, Bitcoin 6.5, Tether 12. But you can hit the start earning, and it takes you into there, and you can set it up. You have to have, there is minimum requirements. I don't have the minimum met yet, so that's why I'm not staking any right now. But a great program. Back to the center. Okay. Rewards, mission. We went over that already. It's on the home page. I also got that video for it with the link in the description. Bonuses. You got the referral bonus. This is where I use someone's referral code. So I've got it, but I haven't been able to unlock it yet. And once again, that's explained in another video. It's pretty simple though. And here's a referral bonus. Say if you use mine and you signed up and you earned your, then I would get $25 as well. And so you can keep track of how many people have used your referral code. Pay rewards, same thing. Earn CRO cash back every time you use Crypto.com Pay. And that was that screen that we saw earlier. And then card cash back. So that'd be the cash back that you earned on your credit card or debit card. Back to the center. So that's earn mission bonus, booking.com, save up to 25%. Boop. Click in here, he's got your details. Goes more into it. If you're looking to go on vacation or something, maybe this could save you a little bit of money. And let's see. Oh, at the bottom, same thing. This is kind of like your fiat wallet. See, there it is, fiat wallet. It's where you're bringing the money in from your bank account. Just another way to get there. So that's home, that's accounts, that's the center button. Kind of self-explanatory, the buying crypto wallet. And track. Up here on track, you can see a little bell, you got your alerts. So I've got it set up so when it goes up, be notified, or when it goes down, to be notified. And this right here, this is the current alerts that have been set out. Just kind of helps you keep track of what's going on with the market. And this right here looks like a little sun. It's kind of what it is. That's bright. Nighttime settings. I just like it darker. If there's a certain coin you want to search for, type it in there. See, I don't know if they got this one yet. No, they don't have that one in there yet. But here you can go, you can see if you want to click on it, get a more detailed view. See 1 day, do 8 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So you can see it's been a little roller coaster lately. If you want to look for a certain date, you kind of drag and hold the, you can find out, there you go. Scrolling down, you got more information about the cryptocurrency. How you feeling about it today? Feeling good about it? You set up reoccurring buy, more information. You hit it back, takes you right back to the track page. So you can do that on any one of them if you want to get more information about them. Make sure we don't miss anything down here at the bottom. What about to go crazy? There we go. That's it, 3,024. Okay, so that's the track page. And now for the card. The card page is going to go over the cards that they have. This is the, I don't want to say bottom of the line, but this is the very first one. This one doesn't require any kind of staking or whatsoever. You go through all the terms if you want to. You see, you get, as you go up, you can see there's, if you look up here at the top, You see you got the midnight blue, the ruby steel, the jade green and the royal indigo, icy white, rose gold, then obsidian. And the higher you go, the more benefits you get, but it's also the more CRO that you have to stake in order to get it. Like this one right here, this is how you get your $25 sign-up bonus from the referral. And what you'll see right here, you get 100% back on Spotify, 2% back, whereas with the first card, you only got 1%. And you can see right here, you got to purchase and hold $400 worth of CRO for 180 days. And you can go through each one of them. Like let's go with Obsidian. You can see with this one, it's 8% back, whereas the very, very first one was 1%. You get 100% back on Spotify, Netflix, and Prime. Airport Lounge plus a guest, 12% CRO stake rewards, and so on and so on. So as you see, the higher you go, the more benefits you get. But I want to say Obsidian is 400,000. Yes, 400,000 for 6 months. Go back to the ruby. So that's the card. So that is the whole app right there. Card, track, the center, which pretty much you can get anywhere from the center, your accounts, and the home. But that's everything. That's the entire app from front to back. There you go. That's all there is to it. I appreciate you sticking through. Hopefully it helped you out and you learned something. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the comment section. Do me a big favor. Hit that like and subscribe button. It does make a difference. It helps out the channel a lot. And as always, stay safe.